The Vera Institute of Justice was funded by the National Institute of Justice to conduct a detailed analysis of the outcomes of cases handled by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. The aim of this research was to understand the extent to which race and ethnicity was an influencing factor in determining the outcome of cases. In order to conduct this study, Vera worked in close partnership with the District Attorney's Office. The office allowed Vera to review their electronic case management database, which included more than 220,000 files, and also we reviewed paper records for a large number of cases. The District Attorney also allowed us to interview a number of their staff to really understand in detail how they handle cases and how to interpret the extremely detailed information that we had access to. So in order to understand how important race was in the outcome of these cases, we used a statistical method to control for other things that may be important, such as the charge, how serious that charge was, and the number of prior arrests and convictions. When we controlled for those factors, we found that while race was not an important factor in all of the decision points in the progress of a case, we did find that blacks and Latinos were more likely to be detained pre-trial. They were more likely to have a plea offer from the prosecutor which included prison or jail, and they were more likely to be sentenced to prison or jail as a result of the case. So for example, we found that in misdemeanor drug cases, blacks were 27% more likely to receive an offer which included a prison or jail sentence by the prosecutor. We also found that blacks were 15% more likely to be imprisoned as the outcome of their case. At the conclusion of the study, the researchers working on the project produced both a detailed report of findings, which was submitted to the Department of Justice, and also a shorter research brief which was designed with policymakers in mind. In addition, because taking the step of conducting such a detailed analysis of such a large sample of case files is unusual, we hope that the research and the products can provide a template, an example for other jurisdictions that want to use similar methods to understand the impact that their policies have on communities of colour.